Hi, my name is John Carbusia, and today I will be presenting briefly and talking about Windows 10. Windows 10 to Mac. Many people have moved from Windows to Mac. I have personal experience with this in my previous job and my current job, where when Microsoft put out an operating system such as Vista or Millennium or Windows 8, many just simply did not find the benefits of upgrading to something that didn't seem to work right, nor was it compatible with their hardware. Thus, many people have moved to Mac because of this reason, with my personal experience. Now, with the release of Windows 10, I'm already also experiencing some folks wanting to go back and try Windows again because they have been such an avid Windows fan for many years. They know that Windows 10 is out and it has a lot of great features and advancements, and it's compatible with legacy hardware as well. And I'll take a look at some reasons why some recent Mac converts may return to Windows. Microsoft decided to build Windows 10 differently than its previous operating systems. Windows 7 and Windows 8 were pretty much 2/3 of the way completed and ready for distribution to the public before it was released to private and public developers for improvements or feedback. However, Windows 10 took a different approach. 1/3 of the way, when the software was being developed, they decided to deploy it to the public and private sector in order for them to provide valuable feedback, which has shown to be a very positive experience for Microsoft. Gabriel All did such a superb job during the development of Windows 10 that he was a general manager and recently was promoted to vice president of the engineering team. And he explains why Windows 10 is different. For the whole product, all features across the board, we said as soon as they're ready, they'll go in. And then once they're in, they'll go out. This new method of product improvement and development is improving Windows 10's future distributions, and it will have a global impact for Windows users. Already after 1 day of Windows 10 being released, more than 14 million devices worldwide had installed the new operating system. And I mentioned earlier how 1/3 of the way of being written, Microsoft released it to the developers for review. And before Windows 10 was in its final version, they had already released 15 different versions for improvements. Some of the new apps I'll cover here is Microsoft Edge and Windows Mail. And something else is that Windows 10 is being given away for free, and it's huge for Microsoft, a clearly different step and different methodology than previous ones. It seems they're following suit to Linux and Apple, who currently also provide free operating systems. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's new web browser, and it is built into Windows 10. Microsoft Edge is cleaner and a leaner web browser, and it's much faster than Internet Explorer. And this is mainly because it no longer supports ActiveX. Microsoft has decided to do away with ActiveX in their new operating system, and Internet Explorer is still installed in Windows 10. It is not the default browser, and Microsoft has decided to not improve the product. They will only deploy through Windows Update any critical patches required to patch up Internet Explorer. Something about one of the features of Microsoft Edge is that it gives you the ability to mark up web pages. You can write directly on a web page and save it to OneNote, and then you can use it however you wish. And Cortana, also, that's Microsoft's new personal assistant. You can use it like you would use a smartphone's voice activated features. And within a web browser of Edge, it actually allows you to perform certain actions by voice commands, such as currency conversions, stock prices, and weather forecast, amongst others. And also, Microsoft Edge comes with a standard reading list and reading view, which completely strips all distractions like advertisements or pop-ups from the web pages you're reading, giving you a beautiful screen of the web page you're trying to be informed. The other feature, the other software I'll talk about is Windows Mail. This version of Mail was available in Windows 8. It has been greatly improved, however, in Windows 10. It is cleaner and faster, and is completely free as well. And Microsoft continues to improve the Mail app. Some of its features are it's speedy and responsive, and more can fit on the screen. It has more real estate, and it still has the basic email functionalities, such as replying to another email, forwarding, and deleting, etc., etc. And something else, it provides native support for Microsoft Exchange, for Gmail, and for Popmail as well, and Yahoo too. And Mail comes built in with a calendar support, and it allows you to synchronize your Google Calendar seamlessly. Let me say one more thing about Windows Mail. One thing that I noticed is that Windows Mail does not have the ability right now to create folders, and I'm hoping Microsoft will soon realize this is a valuable feature they should add to their operating system. In summary, Windows 10 will be free for current Windows 7 and Windows 8 users. It is loaded with new features, and regular enhancements and improvements will be downloadable for free. And it's also been improved to work backwards with legacy systems, unlike Windows 8. Here's the bibliography, and that concludes this short presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.